All right, we're at the downtown Fairborn Car Show here. I'm going to show you some of the cars here. So we're going to switch over, see some of the cars in downtown right now. We go to 4 o'clock today.
158, you got door prizes. Claim them over here at the DJ stand and claim your door prize. What do you need, sir? A nickel?
Hi, Ann.
You're welcome.
Hey, Linda.
Hey, you got it, buddy. What do you know for sure? Anything? It don't pay to know anything, you know what I'm saying? Where are we at now?
Downtown Fairborn Car Show has over 300 cars this year.
They're just about ready for the Heels for Heroes. If you want to see the foot race, come on over here. Yeah, if you want to get in it, come on over.
The car show stays open till 4 o'clock, so come on down to downtown Fairborn and check it out.
Sound like a broken record, don't it? Yeah. Hey, Jimmy, you want to get in this race over here? Hey, Kenny Miller, you got your boot on. Or no, you don't have your boot on. You put a boot on. Because I'm too old. Yeah.
All right, we ready for the Heels for Heroes? Let's hear it.
All right, we're going to switch over to Tanya. We're going to go to the Heels for Heroes race.